We are Amadi share and there bena but so many kwane eko September and ekwe October beba se sia na bronya so kanewu ensemfo ahi mo so mfo Kofi Kapito maba dwumadi ubenya bi wa Asempa 94.7 wo hwe na weni gye ho a wo like wi a na wa share na afo so enya bi no mo so a share sa na ese ekwa no anase
Asempa Fm
dia so Kofi Kapito wo Facebook and so obetimi akoso like o like wi a na wa share ama na fofo ni Ghana fo a mo wo amono ni Ghana nyina Papa and our friend me and come on Queenstantin our friend me but Queensta Osman Ganjo say on you interested what why so cool hwe ekrom ha ye tra nye ya ene me bi be koso a wan hwa ya na be ha ye mekwa chire kakra na me dia ba current administration yeah, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo niema ono a wo ka kire yen Ghana for ma ya rehemu say we should stop being spectators and become citizens. Ghana ni bia we di be 50 years and above no ebetimi adi adanse say before 1979-1981 anya krana ke wo Ghana fo a wo metimi atre wo mahiem in terms of nyuma Kowus Motors Tata Brewery Apiaminka Soap BMNsa nyuma bebre real estate mia me mami adumo wim ena mojobi adom mami enu almost started big time real estate in Ghana 79-81 enema bebre say sian
Asempa
papa ya no wo oye plywood e won kokoi wiafe bebre ana ewu ko Volta regional na enwuma wo ho wo ko northern regional na ankrankra fo a o ma ye ye enwuma sa enwuma ni nyina no sebe ebeye basa any about Fourth Republic you know any a shall start to say yes ama ankrankra fo ama o madwuma asa sorry na sebe Ghana news to bet me in himself in the boss say their friend said generational businesses no mewu me maba me nana council one nyina ba the same on it ye tia ye keka companies akase Ford and Coca-Cola and Sanima nyina and then Mrantie Zugamen and Bill Gates nyina o mu nyina o beje adwuma ama omo and nan council one o North Korea o South Korea, sorry, yes, North, South Korea, Kia, Hyundai, South companies, you know, Samsung, South companies, no, and yet companies are buying G, and crown for D, yeah, what didn't it to me, a tower, chair, and no, international global competitors. Our money, I'm on it for, yet Timmy Shibum, and now Coca, and America, or more how can see anywhere way. Wawe no e obi ene bushafo for dia o I also know shed to kwa between China and America ankwankwa adwuma but abana wa China no agi Wawe die enti no wota Wawe achi Opa Penny Rollins ya call Fourth Republic
FM
ono so start kakra companies bi wo Ghana ha hashtag no mo ye fruit juice ya enne hashtag egu
FM
ye won nkrofo almost so under him almost started say almost so air building Ghanaian companies o man penyin krofo bae ono so ebe ye bi nyuma bebi on man krankra bi on ma omo ahode mo so sikasem any atoye nyina ye de toto kom e forma san companies no ejina o man penyin atamel so bae ya to aso Joma Hama so baye ye to aso mesre
Asempa FM.
I don't have a problem with Ghana nia. What ye di Ghana? E japadia man na so wo to Ghana japadia. Na e bia wan fa kwan paso. O fa kwati kwan. Anase wo bu Ghana aban.
Asempa FM.
Na se Ghana aban ka se. Wo ginadwuma firi ni nsam a minini ni hawo. Make up a see sa Consolidated Diamond Company na and no some aba news
FM.
Hey yeah, Jospon group of companies. Honestly, the didn't sound say a coincidence there because Siam Tata Brewery we also didn't sound. Your friend Siam Japan. The question maybe Sunny say yes. Every I know ye maybe per the agreement. I can't see a ton company na man no. Every na and maybe and to 2 years. But then say yet to be fragrant and nin can't then say cratchy. Ya she ye Mesrau
Asempa FM
94.7 Asempa all day.
Asempa
yentimi nka se aban no enye ni han entra ho na obi mfa yesekan enwa nanka but ye wo mra a yesi ye di emra so ama mra abogana fo ho ban na bia ho kire ne ne bia Jospon group of companies almost consolidated mine for no almost come no yewa amono ni companies are almost maybe a bini Anglo Gold Chinese company almost a bauxite almost akweti ho baby almost so sani meneme ya no aban etimi trase yama omo tax haven yama omo nema bebre sei amene omo wato omo ama sebi omo da so ye adwuma de me pache ni say oman panyini nanado ne bushe ne atemo se de na koma so ba ko pa ni say what so be ma the private sector has become the engine of growth and then she say also obefa bronya ho biscuit we are private sector. But the maybe say private sector no to say Jospon group of companies. I say bia contract na siketua because per records no we tia nearly $5 million out of the $17 million na ye ton sa aban ejapade no ma no na se nipa no kwa ho kire ma
Asempa FM
ye kusa no ye dada no ebia na aho kire ebia ni sika bia kodi baabi ebia na bibi na baaye and then say abankra be mega so memo ya me am soft loans na wetimi dia ye niema. I'm not against again aban say obebo Ghana japade ho ban na mom sa asem wo court ana say yeti honomo na yamfa papa no amfa mra kwan so because asem no akoye mienu o owura samu abwate ni ese wo mo de papa no fa emra kwan so me so mi wa document o mo so e call court May this year show mo so edu o masem e call court ya Jospon group of companies you know. The question maybe say sa kwan na tie kra ni sa de ye ma mo no ne fo no a mo ho to wo mo no papa no me fa ni se fra wa anya niema bi But I didn't intimi and offer the same incentives. And ma foreign companies, you know, and we have almost not gonna near sabi Jospon and I say Japan Ninu group sabi enuma owo che na se me hanga me nikra ebro be aduonu ana se aduasa bebre na se Ghana ni se mfunso kra na wo ya mumientrentre no yankusa no se ne be ya obetime mu se bia sika ne yakasa me ntua no adwada na se me ntua me mo ntia se bi efiada me nya ma wo mo ne yantimi nka se wukuada near the soldier for near Asrafo.
Asempa FM.
Akon adwumam. Akotum. Sebi. I may come in yes dear. And will be dentina abwasrewa. Mimi will be 7981 no. 7981 mi hunu bi. Sa Rambo entrance na. And then ye wo judicial dispensation. Constitution. Yes, mo fa no court. Mama court my judgment. Sabi ne niama no yemo no don komi. Yankwaji ne niama. Adan yaban say ye da. Na se sa tem ni nuru hode a. Sa Rambo style no etwam. Antibuko ye na adwumayefo no. Mokopam wo mo na. Wo ma ba trefie no. Ani ne ye. Anka bia mo frɛ papa no. Ani didi nkomo. Papa we ye me hanga meninka. Owura Rollins emre so na. Wogu enuma bi na because na bia won tini me bi ase no. This year dey na Rollins ka fa sa papa no. Papa Rollins aseme no kan. Wa se papa no we ni papa na dwuma so ani pa. Ye gina so ajebutu atum se ni nyuma bebre so ani wo kroma. Na sa ba ko. Na sa asema ba ho a. Adentina yentimi mfanu mfantitiem te said the near for Anglo Gold and yama ya dema over $200 million Chinese for concessions ya dema buburuja na Kofi Ghana de yempese ye be fi no hwe we me dem account me enya politics me say me mahunu bi da me maame okobim sanka bia nya sana ba 1979
FM
enka bia ne mo se ho estate estate no enka ma mienu ene start ye mo je bia dom ene adom wo wim and sana other businesses throughout the regions Accra Tata Brewery and they say friend no Achimota Brewery me boa Guinness for the no the beginnings for the friend is saying baby a o me Guinness ni Achimota wa mo friend saying is it ABC Guinness for baby a Guinness for one no sebi baby a company na wa mo star any golder Avaro hwe ora BM ensa company ono otimi ni abrofo kon ya Rotbus International for no mo kon ya otimi tie ne ho ekoti ona nkasa tobacco company tobacco de ne nyina adua tum se ha adwene but those days okote pomo ai na ona ne dia enen ka bia nke jana Kaunu adia wetimi aye. Tata Brewing kaunu adia wetimi aye. Kowus Motors Volkswagen. Say ne yesi any Volkswagen for e ba be agreement. Amu abe bi wa. Se nka bia nke ja no ne nke ye boa no a. Te say the Korea for boa Kia any Hyundai any Samsung no. China for support Huawei no. Ana mu de mom yen support ye de. Me de am yan say o man panyini nana Akufado. We see idea here pa. Yes, me no we adwene. Aban ene mo no de tutu kwam. Se ne be ya ankura for betimi e create employment. na sa ankrankra
Asempa FM.
so we try just one group of companies na sebe bia wanya ne baby kura na kwema ade ne yentimi ene ne ndili se ne be ya yenua Ghana ni hwe wo pa bisa ye dollar ho akiri ni nyina ye foreign companies omo krom hanoma omo beton ne mama ya wia no mdo mu sika no ko back in dollars flight na de bia ye sidi no ho akiri no ebi no sade ne ka ho it is assuming say just one group of companies so nyeska enya Ghana no obedi no hwe mi baby amete wo mi fie West International School ewo ho international school teacher fa wo mo akwa be kire o ma de ni nya Ghana no wo bo enti adenti ni yentimi ma Ghana ni ba opportunity a yede ma abrofo anase yede ma hoho ene ha me ya bi da ya bi ama Anglo Gold ya bi ama Chinese company and it's assuming say me how no sa rambo nsemuna e mehu bi da no me mfa ma mo me enko court mo ma court ma judgment say ore sian say ni te say the amra ye di adwuma no sania South Fourth Republic way and then another president Mr. Sarambo Stein. I'm not defending Zumla or Abiana, why bonnet? But the question I'm asking is, say, oh, yeah, Bono Crana, Saka when sooner. I was a dinner. And now, Ghana, ha, companies are, or make his carcass, and you're Ghana for there.
Asempa FM.
I'm on for there. Nana do buy now, see, there be Sadian and ya. Mama Ghana ni so no ne ho to no hwe MTN na and yanyina yani age ho Ghana hanmo no am no more the largest subscriber base wo Ghana hanmo no ora Nelson Mandela ebreso wo mo president here wo sisui one need the single South African largest shareholder Mariposa because Nelson Mandela buy no and also the mo miemfa Escafo kakra mo South Africa no mo nye ene MTN aminu mienu yenye bia ye ni age ho no omo kro mo wie ska no omo de kwa mo no ne kase nyo mo wie ska ne transfer kwa mo no ne dollar na say just from group of companies already share Japan so timi ye bi wo Ghana ha ade ne ye mo ano na mom ye tata no mumienya sade no etiefo umwetimi abam 0302 216545 0302 216546 me pacho hwan edi kan
ofa
yes sir
ajana wando
ajana pacho kwaso
yes sir yo ofa ya ma onejima ofa me bi saw se sabi udika criminal na say criminal
enya it can be criminal when it goes to court and the court gives judgment to say sade na wo ye no kro no
ba na me sambisa say sabi udika sabi e bia fa say me aja no wa medika $1 million sabi na udi me akokot a me nka say bia me ntia e be fa hu ntina makoda fiase ana
da bia aja na wonim e ka kora wo de ho no ma wo kokot $1 million no wutimi ka kire court say me hu na akire me mitimi ntua $1 million sesi aba mitimi atua bia 50,000 for the next 3 years.
Okay.
Court no be ma kwan. Ni wetua sa 50 no. Because your friend be say we show evidence say you have the ability to pay. Thank you.
And ye pen for ni say enne o china ye to adwuma or chineti sabi ya pamu workers no because ya ejuma na ya creative enwa na ya split ya say no nti ya say nkuko ya ntemu ano SS split na ya cost 90 iti papa isu o ya nipa bi a wadi mu wo Ghana esa de o kai no youth bebre ejuma mo nya ya nyina afi just pon ya afi ejuma isu ya say no omo kebi na omo fa revival na ejuma no na mebu no nya ejuma nye me da say
Ajana Nyamishra. 0302216545 03. Hello.
Capito.
Agbedefu.
My name is Agbedefu.
Wezo.
Thank you. No, somebody said that I cannot speak English. Papaya. So today I'm trying to speak my English that you understand me. So please, let me say hi to you and your listeners. I want to contribute to the program. Capito,
brofo papa. Agbedefu say what papa want to be in casa how.
Papa, you cannot challenge me.
Go so there. Agbedefu dey koso.
Don't do that. Okay. My teacher is a Lebanese man.
Hey.
Okay, I can't go near. Capito, Ghana Hanu, Yepaho was some Yaka Tabako. Which is the economic that would be reaching there. Now, for Ghana, who not doing a girl. It's a decided, a course. Omwa omudi omana hanta aka edi acho makoni omani asese ombe omani yenu omuzi the city of Ghana the Ghana ni ya dia okache otinkasa adi we ye ani say you
Asempa FM
say because come obi product e be ru WSO okache say only dey no the free everything e ba hona me say Ghana na ya pete we hear just for asemo okay na say ma okay ya we take them kana ko see e be ko policy and now so mo di eni no omuni business strategy and to be kon anima na ye ne ya Ghana dey na ye de akokoye am more example ohu na say across a finance company and as a bank be down no we dey be say omo we managers for the banks no so me no kaso omo ifa and to omo we there ya ye omo no tabalising ana ahoya we na tika we na ekoni say that's adibe ni ho ani father ni to be meji ejejeja and the leaders in there they are creating something. Now, the MD say, I don't create it. I didn't happen so they cannot stand. They are mansion, their luxury house, cars, they cannot enjoy it. If you come, Mumana, Omuni Gana Kashi or Mukano, Omuni, as you probably be a class of Japan. And I don't know, everything will be collapsed. Thank you, sir.
Medansi, Bobby Zumra. Hello.
Bobby?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon to you and your listeners.
Afternoon.
My name is Manamatis from Lejokuku.
Koso.
I think Papaya know how to praise Queensta and Papaya don't know how to speak English. You don't even know, Papaya don't even know how that returns to. So,
Papaya, why am I?
Say, Papaya, no. On your channel, or your small boy, so I say, your channel, Jumano. And then if only Mr. Tato on Chatas, when my dear friend Tato, and on this Wakasa, now way of somebody is a lot of Ima
Sadi in Jason on Chatas. You don't have evidence.
Kovi?
Yes, sir.
My man, myself. Kovi, I say, I send with topic with your brother. Now, Dan, my key comment, may say, Kofi, me Macase, I send Nippani Vietuma. Say a corner of us to be a human name, your papa. Young chef, young papa, be so nice, young mind a human will be a number, your papa. Now, workers no more home, no more from a sentiment day, intimate common. Let's say that's on a big good man, dear. Then this in the you and people never remember and fossil. So I say, and a good idea. At least, no, coffee, and this some countries, and you say, no more you.
At all, and everyone may say Korea, Wusha Kia, Wusha Hyundai, Wusha Samsung. Even now, China and America for to call Mukono. Huawei and yet China government deal a private business, but China government is backing Huawei. Hello. Papa, what are you Papa, Coso, na time when you are and only have the phone. Papa, and you can be Papa, and you can be Papa, and you can be.
We have a couple of papa.
And okay, come on, Papa, I meet you this
morning. Oh, yeah, actually, I come out
Papa, well, my beautiful. Any Emmanuel Mante. I went to Yagabro for Ibi. Ready, Yagopo. Yeah, Papa. Guys, you tell why you're so cool. Cause I think I'll cabro for Canadian automatic weapon. So, Canada and some way. Most of for Kofi Capito, my sorrow. Shall Mummy,